Press the bell icon on our YouTube app and never miss another video from Spotboy.
Sunil Grover will not come back on Kapil Sharma's show as a matter of self-respect. Kapil's attack on Sunil in mid-air, which continues to be the talk of the town, is having its share of after effects. Seems the first casualty is Sunil himself. Sources close to the Kapil Sharma show have told Spotboy that Sunil Grover is unlikely to return on their set. Kapil has given him wounds which will not heal. We were the first to break the story about the Kapil-Sunil fight on the Air India flight which brought them back to Mumbai after they had done a couple of shows in Australia. We now have it that the show's booking diaries have no dates from Sunil on the forthcoming shoots, at least not yet. The cover on the Film City stage where the show is shot almost every week is that Sunil has kissed goodbye to his colleagues, and of course no kisses were planted on Kapil's cheek. Kapil certainly does not deserve any after his abusive and violent rampage on Sunil, who just asked him politely to not use foul language in front of his co-passengers. So what exactly is going on in Sunil's mind at this point? Well, it's simple. Firstly, Sunil feels that it's a matter of dignity that he now stays away from the Kapil Sharma show. He has had enough from Kapil, and in fact many others from the Kapil Sharma show like Kiku Sharda, Chandan Prabhakar and Ali Asgar have also been at the receiving end of the haughty stand-up comedian of Indian television. Kiku, Chandan and Ali were also witness to Kapil's disgusting behavior on the flight, and neither of them have recovered till now. In fact, it all began with Kapil picking on Chandan, who is ironically his close friend. Secondly, Sunil feels that he wouldn't be able to give 100% to the show anymore. So that's it. No Dr. Mashoor Gulati and Rinku Devi on the show. Kapil often used to tell Sunil jokingly on the show, "Mujhe tumhara muh pasand nahi hai." He wouldn't have to utter those lines anymore to Sunil unless a miracle happens to convince the victim that he should brush off his flight altercation with the offender as a bad dream.